Yesterday I went fishing with my dad and my brother, and I've got to say, it was an awesome experience, bro. Although firstly the ride to the river where we wanted to fish was really long, it was like 4 hours, and secondly we didn't catch as much fish as we wanted, and thirdly it was a really sunny and hot day, so it was basically impossible to be in the car for a few hours. In my opinion, it was really great to hang out with my family and spend time with my family and create those nostalgic memories. But I'm gonna be honest, bro, fishing takes patience, and it's also really likely that you won't catch any fish on your first try. And that's also the case with self-improvement. But anyways, bro, you wanted to make your life more interesting, you wanted to be more happy, and you came to this video because you actually thought that self-improvement is just too boring to make your life more interesting. But self-improvement isn't just about reading books or meditating or even going to the gym. It's about improving your life in general, bro. I go to the gym, I meditate, I read, and I do all these self-improvement habits. But I think the most important thing is that my life is actually interesting. I think fishing makes me really happy. However, for you it might be different. You might enjoy spending your time playing basketball or going on a trip or doing something else. But in general, I think that spending time with my family is the most important thing that makes self-improvement actually worth it. But I think that spending time with my friends and other people also makes me really happy. For example, today I went bike riding with a really good friend of mine, and we rode the bike for basically about 5 hours today. We basically checked out a few schools we could go to. We also did a bit of calisthenics. We also checked out some abandoned ruins, and I think it was a really interesting experience, bro. Spending time with my friends doesn't only make me more happy and more consistent in my self-improvement journey, but it also strengthens my friendship with my friends. It isn't really that important whether you're riding a bike, going to a store, going to a supermarket, going to a water park, or even just hanging around. I think that the most important thing is that you spend time with other people that make you happy. Humans are designed to be around people they trust, and that's what I'm doing, and that's what you should be doing. And bro, it's really nostalgic to look back on those memories that we created with our friends and our families. I think the older you get, the more you will appreciate your friends, and the more you want to actually connect with your friends and family. It just becomes more important to hang around with other people. There is a really nostalgic memory of mine. Basically 5 years ago, we went from Estonia to Croatia by car, and it was one of the most interesting trips I've ever had. We were driving between mountains and hills. We also saw snakes and scorpions and just some wildlife, and we basically slept in these hotels, and it was so interesting. Bro, these are the memories you actually want to strive for. In my opinion, these make my life actually worth living, and it's just so awesome to wake up every day and think that you can go everywhere and create these memories. It doesn't have to be anything expensive or anything too specific. You can also just chat with your family at the dinner table, and it's also gonna be really interesting and really heartwarming. You can create memories out of everything, and this is a part of self-improvement that many people are not even talking about. Of course, you don't have to be happy all of the time, because otherwise you're not gonna do your work. However, I think that those memories and those experiences are really important part of my life. Yeah, I know materialistic things like wealth or cars or anything like that might sound really cool. However, it's really not worth anything if you don't have a family, if you don't have friends, if you don't have people you trust. And yeah, bro, this is the message I wanted to give you. If you think that your life is just boring, if you want to be happier, if you want to make your self-improvement journey more enjoyable, then go spend your time with your family, with your friends, with just people you trust. And if you do that, bro, if you're actually like the 10% who take action from this video, you will not regret it. The most important thing about life is actually living your life. So I think that this is the point you want to take from this video. I believe in you, bro. Go talk with your family, go talk with your friends, and go organize something, or just chat in general. Just have a heartwarming conversation or anything like that. Really, it will be worth it. See you in the next video.